Alright, so no filters and using a crappy camera phone. Just got done coating the car. I'll try and hold it steady. I mean, it's amazing how the car looks even with a bad phone. And can you believe it? When I was polishing the tires, a bird pooped right on my hood and it splattered everywhere. A little frustrating, but for the product that I use to get this beautiful shine, check it out. The link will be in the description. I highly recommend it to anybody who loves to take care of their cars, trucks, SUVs. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe.